Okay, this exercise is going to show how to edit a spreadsheet, but first we need to import the N10 EKS CSV file. So I'm going to go to the folder that I've got those files in. Got my N10 EKS. Now if I double click on this and open it up, the information is just contained in the folder. Sometimes you don't get it all lining up properly. Now, easiest way to ensure that the data is correct is go File, New, Blank Workbook, click on cell A1 in the top left hand corner, go to Data, click on Get External Data, From Text, go to the location where that file is saved, and open and import the file. So you want to choose Delimited. Next, work out what is being used to separate them. Here you can see there's a comma between the columns. Next, finish, add it to existing sheet A1. That completes the first task. Now I need to go and customize it. So I've been told a few bits of information. Most of the information where it's text you can just leave it as is. So now, but for the size, I need to right click on the column C, choose Format Cells, make sure format it as a number. In this case I want it 1 decimal point. For the price I need to do the same, except this time it is going to be currency with 2 decimal points. Now if you get a bunch of hashes, it just means the column's not wide enough, so click on the line between the D and the E and you can stretch that column, or you can double click and it will resize to being the perfect size. So that's those 2 points done. Now for the next section, replace what's in there in the stock item column with a yes and no based on the number. So at the moment it's got -1 and 0. But basically if there is no stocks, if there is 0 in stock, we want it to say no. If there's anything more than 0, we want to say yes. So we're going to use a formula. So we're going to use equals if, I'm going to double click on that, got a logical test. So I now need to compare the numbers. So if H2 is greater than 0, now it's telling me I want a little comma. In some formats you might be asked to put a semicolon. Now I'm going to put the message inside a set of speech marks. So I'm going to say yes. So that's if it's true. Another comma, another set of speech marks, close the speech marks, and then close the bracket. So if it's true, it says yes. Now the little rectangle in the bottom corner, it's called the fill handle. The cursor changes to a plus when you hover over it. I'm going to highlight that and copy it down. And that has copied that formula across.